Super Bowl. He has 8. He has passed Vinatieri and Gostkowski, both Patriots. And of course, Vinatieri kicked as well with the Colts. 5:46 to go, 16-16, the Niners, the Chiefs. You're listening to Super Bowl 58 on Westwood One.
It's a mystery where Old Spice finds its amazing scents like Himalayan sea salt, but I'm thrilled they have because no other body wash exfoliates and moisturizes the 24/7 like Old Spice Gentleman's Himalayan sea salt body wash. Now, if only there was a mountain range separating the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan plateau where I could hide my Old Spice and keep my family from stealing it, my impossibly smooth skin would finally be safe.
Thanks for calling Discover. This is Gabby.
Hey, Gabby. It's Jennifer Coolidge. So glad I reached you at 2 a.m.
Oh, of course. Anyone with a Discover card can call and talk to a real person 24/7. Now, how can I help?
Now, I used my Discover card to buy these yellow pleather pajamas, and I'm just not sure I'm pulling them off.
24/7 U.S.-based customer service. It pays to Discover. Limitations apply. Learn more at discover.com/credit card.
At Granger, we're for the ones who specialize in saving the day, and for the ones who've mastered the art of keeping business moving. We offer industrial-grade supplies for every industry, with same-day pickup and next-day delivery on most orders, all backed by real people ready to help, so you can get the right answers and products right when you need them. Call quickgranger.com or just stop by. Granger, for the ones who get it done.
Do you have a game plan for COVID-19? Prescription oral treatments must be taken within the first 5 days of symptoms, even if mild. If you have a high risk factor, ask your doctor if treatment is right for you. Visit treatcovid19.com. Sponsored by Pfizer.
Football's biggest game day is here. Total Wine is your place for all your game day needs. With the lowest prices for over 30 years, you'll find what you love and love what you find. Only at Total Wine and More. Drink responsibly. B21.
Welcome back to the Super Bowl. Super Bowl 58 in Las Vegas, and just as we had hoped, we are tied at 16-16 with 5:46 to go. We've gone back and forth. It was 10-0 San Francisco. Chiefs scored 13 unanswered points. Niners have come back, and we had an extra point block, which allowed the Chiefs to tie it right there. Kurt Warner, and 16 apiece. Now the Chiefs are going to kick off from left to right. After the 24-yard field goal, here comes Butcher, who earlier had a Super Bowl record 57-yarder. This kickoff is out of the end zone. Painted gold to our right. A touchback for Brock Purdy to the 25 of the 1st and 10. With a reminder now at Macy's, find great deals on Valentine's Day gifts. Like fine jewelry, designer fragrance gift sets, and even Godiva chocolates. Plus, get your gifts even faster when you pick up in store now at Macy's. So here are the Niners in 2 timeouts. They're tied at 16. They begin at 1st and 10 at their 25. What must be going through the mind of second-year quarterback Brock Purdy? He's in the gun. He looks at a 4-man front. It's 1st and 10 at his own 25. Arms extended, shotgun snap, goes back 3, line drive, go down the middle, caught. Jennings breaks the tackle on a spinning 2-handed catch at the 45, and he goes outside the hash to the 48-yard line of San Francisco. It's a pickup of 23, and Jawan Jennings is setting the stage for some kind of memorable game in the biggest game of his life.
This is how legends are made. Mr. Irrelevant, 6 minutes to go, tied up against one of the greatest quarterbacks ever. Can you finish this thing, or does it come down to the guy on the other side winning his 3rd Super Bowl?
Jennings has thrown a touchdown pass as a wide receiver, and he's also caught a touchdown pass and hit a clutch 23-yard reception right there. Under center, Purdy at his own 48 with the 1st and 10. The big handoff, and it's a pitch out to Samuel. Andrew Brown got a block at the 50, got a block at the 45, breaks the tackle, going to the far sideline, and down to the Kansas City 42. Moving well, gain of 10, gets the 1st down. And the market at the Kansas City 42 in our 4th quarter clock is at 4:41, 4:40, 4:39 ticking. Tied, game at 16.
Now Shanahan pulling out all the stops to win this one. Got the wide receiver throwback screen that gets you a touchdown. Here we are in the last drive, going with the reverse to Deebo Samuel. He pulled out all the stops, knowing this is the last one on the board this year.
George Karlaftis